As healthcare providers, we know that managing diabetes requires evidence-based dietary strategies. Replace Diabetic incorporates scientifically validated ingredients like isomaltulose to support glycemic control. Let's examine how this range can benefit people living with diabetes. Isomaltulose has a low glycemic index, GI32, compared to sucrose, GI65, meaning it causes a slower and more gradual rise in blood glucose levels. This slower release of glucose provides sustained energy and helps to avoid the sharp glucose spikes associated with sucrose, according to studies on isomaltulose. Here's a more detailed explanation. The glycemic index, or GI, isn't a measure of how much sugar is in a food, but rather a standardized measure of how quickly its carbohydrates are converted into blood glucose. Think of it as a speedometer for your blood sugar. Let's compare two similar sugars with very different effects. First, sucrose, or common table sugar. It has a high glycemic index. This means it's digested very quickly, leading to a rapid spike in blood glucose soon after consumption. Now, isomaltulose. It's also made of glucose and fructose, but its chemical bond is structured differently. This unique bond resists rapid breakdown. It's digested and absorbed slowly in the small intestine, resulting in a much lower, gentler rise in blood glucose. This slower digestion and absorption process is the key to isomaltulose's primary benefit: sustained energy. Instead of a sudden, sharp spike in blood glucose, it facilitates a gradual release into the bloodstream. This provides a more stable and prolonged source of energy, which has been demonstrated in clinical studies on isomaltulose. Furthermore, this gradual release of glucose directly translates to a significant advantage: reduced glycemic spikes. By preventing the sharp, rapid rises in blood sugar that are typical of high GI sugars like sucrose, isomaltulose promotes much greater stability. This foundational benefit is well documented in studies. Consequently, the slow-releasing nature of isomaltulose presents a compelling potential for supporting individuals managing diabetes or for anyone seeking better long-term control over their blood sugar levels, as indicated by research. Integrating these products into your clients' meal plans can be both simple and highly effective. For breakfast, we recommend starting the day with isomaltulose sweetened cereals. This provides a foundation of sustained morning energy without the sharp glycemic spike. For snacking, strategically suggest high-fiber, low-GI bars. These are excellent for preventing those mid-afternoon glucose dips and maintaining focus. And finally, for desserts, you can confidently recommend sugar-free options sweetened with isomaltulose. This allows clients to satisfy sweet cravings safely, supporting both adherence and long-term glycemic control. Replace Diabetic-Range, backed by clinical insights on isomaltulose and low GI nutrition, offers a practical tool for diabetes management. As healthcare providers, recommending these products can help your clients achieve better glycemic outcomes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.